up, family? Welcome back to another video. So today I am test driving the 2022 Ford Escape titanium sedan. So we're going to take it for a little road trip down the road, and I'm going to show you guys how it drives and tell you a little bit about it. Overall, the quality of the steering wheel and everything is really luxurious, and I love it. And so far it's really quick. It picks up very quickly. The seat is adjustable. The steering wheel is adjustable. I love this car so far, guys. And I'm just looking to see if there's any traffic coming. So as you see right here, you got this screen display for the radio and the audio and stuff like that. Hold on, guys. Let me go real quick. So we're doing a little speed test here. Oh wow, yes guys, it picks up for sure. This is really nice and really smooth and stuff. But do an overall review on the car and the engine bay and stuff, and I'll tell you if it's a good car. It also has a moon roof here. You can let that back, and also, well, once that goes back, you can let the actual moon roof itself back. And that looks really nice, guys. Really, really nice. Look at this dog, guys. Look. There's a little dog hanging out the window. But guys, it's really nice. The audio quality is really good too. And you know, it just rides so smooth. I cannot believe it. It actually has good gas mileage. Right now it's at a half of a tank, and it's saying 212 miles till empty, which is really good. I like that. I would recommend this car by far, just because of the quality, the build quality. And you also get a display up here that shows you your instrument cluster. Up here shows you all your gauges and stuff. That's digital, and it's really nice. Everything's pretty much digital. You got an electronic park brake right here. AC is just booming. It feels amazing, guys. It's something that, you know, anybody would love. A family of 4 or a family of 5. It would be great, a great car for you. And it got a tow hitch on the back. The tow hitch capacity on this might be 5,000 pounds. But yeah, guys, I mean, everything's really luxurious on this car. We got the 2022 Ford Escape titanium right here, SUV. It's a really nice SUV for you know, a small family. I just want to show you an overview around the vehicle. Things are really sturdy on it. It's really nice. You see the handlebars are really sturdy. The tires are solid. It comes with some alloy rims there. You come around here, you got the trunk area. It says Ford Escape. You got the tow hitch, which is really great. That's a plus. This is the titanium model, guys. I'm telling you that this vehicle is really good and that you will love it, because I love it. It handles really well. The only thing I don't like about the vehicle is the shifting. It's not really good when it shifts and it takes off. You can feel a little bit of jerk in it. I don't like that, but I'm going to show you inside of the vehicle now, guys. So you got all leather interior. I'm going to sit in here, guys. You got all leather interior. You got a leather wrapped steering wheel. It's really nice, and it feels solid and comfortable. And as you're gripping the steering wheel, you got a display right here for your gauge cluster. That's like a display. You got a display in the middle. It has GPS and radio, FM, Sirius radio, everything that you need there. It has a garage opener up here. It has, let me turn on the vehicle. I'm starting the vehicle. The seat will adjust for you depending on where you set it to. And then you got the moon roof up here, which is really nice. That opens up. You have the radio, which I'm not going to turn that on all the way because you can get copyrighted for that, guys. The AC is booming. That's really nice. This opens up all the way back, which is really nice. You can open it, close it like this if you want the top hatch closed. I wouldn't advise you to open these much because these tend to break a lot. So you might want to not open that as much, and that's closing now. On the steering wheel itself, you got a lot of controls here for different, to turn up the radio, for cruise control and such sort, and Bluetooth and stuff like that. You got the AC controls right here. You got the gear shifter knob, park, drive, neutral, and all that. And then you got electric parking brake, and you got stuff like that. Yeah, you got a 12-volt plug down here. You got a USB and Type-C connection down there. You got a full-size glove department. Actually, guys, you can fit quite a bit in there. You got nice leather wrapped seats. We're gonna come to the back now, guys, and I'm gonna show you this. The back of the car is nice and it's leather wrapped as well. It got WeatherTech floor liners on the floorboard there. It got you know, the anti-theft gas tank, easy fuel. Let me shut this. Then we're gonna go to the trunk, and then I'm gonna pop the hood as well. And when you pop this hood, guys, you want to make sure you pull this lever twice. It has a 2 times on it. Pull it twice to open the hood. And we're going to go to the trunk and show you the trunk space. You got this big trunk. I wasn't too fond of this. I do absolutely love the 12-volt plug-in here. And I love the spacious room it has under here. It does got the OMEI Ford Escape mats, and it also has a spare tire and the tools that you would need under there for the spare as well. And it looked like it has a funnel in the back as well for your oil and stuff like that. So we're going to close that. And by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you, this trunk automatically closes itself. That's very beautiful. Overall tow capacity on this Ford Escape Titanium is 5,000 pounds that it can pull. Come around here. We're just going to show them the overall body. That's the overall body. Under the hood, you got a little latch here to hold that up. It looks like it don't have the cover on this, like somebody took that off. I don't know what the deal is. It's a lot of stuff going on under here. Yeah, they got some OMEI battery, AMG technology. It is a 4-cylinder engine. I'm just shutting that door. And that's what basically under the hood. It's a 4-cylinder engine. It's nothing special. But it has a nice kick to it. I just don't like the jerking. All right, so I'm about to show you how fast this thing can go. And again, this is the 2022 Ford Escape Titanium. Yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. You know, like, subscribe, and comment. And I love you, sub family. Thank you.